Hello friends. Today we have a phone with a broken display for repair and it does not charge. You can see its name on the screen. Our USB is completely torn off, and the contacts in it are bent. First, we need to replace the USB, then charge the phone and then replace the display. Let's get to work. I see that the phone has not been disassembled yet. This is indicated by two seals on the screws. Therefore, the phone is being disassembled for the first time. In order to remove the lower board, we have two ways. The first is to unsolder the cable, and the second is to peel it off the case and pull out the cable together with the lower board. The wire on the right is positive, and the wire on the left is negative. Remember that. I'd better unstick the cable because it will be easier for me. Don't forget to warm up the cable, otherwise you'll break it. The bottom board is also glued with double-sided tape, so it also needs to be heated. We have dismantled the lower board. Now we need to unsolder the USB. The USB is dismantled. Now you need to remove all the solder. I will do this using copper braid. And then you need to find the same USB. Done. Now we need to clean the flux and we will try to charge the phone. As you can see, the phone is already charging 38%. Current consumption is 410 milliamps. Now we need to order a display to replace the broken one. As we can see, the touch screen is fully functional. I'll probably check the cameras again. This is where we end the video. I hope it was useful. Subscribe and good luck with your repairs.